Okay, it's 6:45 p.m. the night before Christmas Eve. She just had her first puppy, so I think we might be done by Christmas. We'll have Christmas Eve puppies sometime we get done. She has one boy right now. She's hiding him from me. Dreamer. Dreamer. Dreamer, Dreamer. There we go. There's the babies. Oh, there's the babies. Oh, there's a contraction. Say goodbye. Now we have a baby girl. We got two girls and a boy. We're up to 4 puppies. We had a big old girl. We got 3 girls now. And 1 boy. Well, it's officially Christmas Eve. We're still at it. She's got 4 girls and 1 boy. She hides them every time I try to take pictures of them. See if I can get some faces. Oh, almost. You see one.